What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode here at Pagel Services. It's me, the real me, the St. Derek this time, pretending to be me. This is all real right here, guys. So today is the last day we have to finish that wall job just outside of town here. We are literally going to head right out there and get to work. So let's go.
Unload up here, but then you guys need to get to the road like ASAP because Bob's on his way and he's got to come in here and down. The roller and the broom probably can go out and sit on the side of the road. Scale's gonna pre-grab. John, you and Eric can park on the road. You guys are gonna have to back up, park along the road because I got Bob coming to load a rock.
I know you said something about parking on the road, but that side of the road, it's just a drop.
Yeah, well, we need it on the road.
Yeah. I'll go park at the next house down.
You thought I was in a bad mood. Holly looks tired. You think I look tired? Hi, Holly.
Hi. I am always tired.
John, are we unloading this up here or are we going to unload it down there?
I don't know.
Got everybody. Steps. Planned that perfectly, huh? Thanks, Bob. This getting seated? Yeah, this whole thing.
Multiple sausages around this place.
What?
Are you clueless?
He's young, Eric.
No, I know what it is. Soft hands. He doesn't know what he's talking about. Yeah, I can do that too. See that?
I can
You want the other one too?
I have 3.
Do you want the third leg too?
I think I'm gonna go hide in the shop.
What have you done today?
I like the glasses.
Yeah, they're not doing much good. Yeah, this is ridiculous.
Try not to make a muddy mess over there. To get out of here, you should drive in the hayfield a little bit. Get some of this mud off and then get in the driveway.
Got that leaf blower?
They got it up there. Caleb, how far you want to go in? I think that's probably good if you stand back here and look at it. That's all you can do is kind of stand back and make sure it's going with the wall to where your foot is outside of the, you know, your dirt or your foot is in the grass essentially. Okay. So. Okay.
Shoving little rocks and big rocks to hold back the other little rocks. Not my favorite.
gotta switch them. This is wider than this one. Try switching them. Is there a different one you can use?
This one.
I don't know. This one's so narrow. That one's got to be towards the top. Don and Eric, you guys go through, sweep off the top of these rocks.
Okay.
Sweep off the steps. All this nice and tight and clean. And this one would work good for that landing though. It's long. Just try it first. Take that corner out. Put that level on here, John.
Down towards you.
Put it on there.
A little more.
No,
Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Push down on this front just a little bit.
I'm pretty much painting mud.
Tap that clean stone down.
Yeah, put one right there.
Huh?
One like this.
I don't think we need another rock. You're gonna need a little more. I think we put dirt in here and this all gets sloped this way. Let's do it that way. Eric, run over and tell him I don't need that clean stone. Tell him I need dirt. Yeah, clean your tracks off, clean it all off, and then put it up there. Alright, I want both of you guys, I want these steps all cleaned off nice. I want that clay dirt down there shoved in the, over on the side there. Maybe like up here. All that will seed. So like from the top rock down, we'll hand work all that gravel back into there or use power room or whatever. This side here is, we don't have much room to put more in, but that side you can put junk in there.
Okay.
But I don't want that clay down there.
eggs. Whew. I'm getting toasty.
Your bucket right up next to that top rock, up next to the concrete. Put on this side of the bucket.
This way?
Yep. Just tell him how to do his job. You see that? Didn't listen, didn't even bring me no rock. I said, I need some of that. Put it on the other side of your bucket so I can put it up here. So if he puts it on that side of his bucket,
Yeah.
he can just dump it.
Hi, Sean! He's like, F you.
What time in the morning I put this rock here? Oh, 6 o'clock this morning. I had to put the skin door over here to use the headlights to see.
Tools, rigs, power broom. Over there.
welcome, Sean.
Yeah, you know.
Are we tired? I knew what I was doing. Calling her a day.
Days later.
So I just got a call from Caleb that specifically said, grab a camera if you want to get good content and go out to the dirt pile. So, I love good content. Let's go see what's going on at the dirt pile. What do you need? Bring what down?
Your fucking car, come on.
The journey?
The journey's gonna do it.
No, I don't think so. I could try if you want. You go have at her.
Fuck yeah.
But she has a hard time getting out of the garage some mornings. I'm not sure she's gonna pull this shit out.
She's got, what? Come on.
What we got here?
Well, I got stuck,
Oh, this is like a human centipede.
and then Sean got stuck. So now Holly's coming to help.
Alright.
If she gets stuck, you're our last resort.
Yeah, I guess we'll use the journey, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we don't have a skid out here, or else I don't think we'd be this stuck.
Well, I think the keys are in the trucks down
No
there.
goddamn batteries.
Oh.
The Journey's got a battery.
The other, yeah, that truck's got a battery.
Oh, I forgot. Sean, we got the dirt screener battery.
Alright, explain to me what's going on here. I'll just, what
happened?
Yeah,
Well, I was kind of coming to dump some of my dirt.
you came to dump dirt, okay.
Yeah. And then I got stuck.
Okay,
And Sean happened to be pulling in at the right time.
perfect.
So when I called the boss, I go, do you think Sean could just pull me out? Yeah.
I said no, it ain't gonna work.
I said, yeah, it'll work. Because he's loaded down with concrete. Nice heavy traction. And then he slid back too far and he got stuck. So now we got, wonder what truck Holly brought.
Do you know that for sure? Can you just tell by listening?
Well, it's an extra lappy is 204. Where's Trevor at? Ain't this his job?
Yeah, I don't know. I guess he didn't want to. I was at home eating. He's like, you want to go get some great content, grab a camera and go out to the dirt pile. I won't even tell you what's going on. I mean, if we're going to get her connected, we might as well connect the journey up too and just get all four of us going.
You know, we might as well just hook your truck back up and then just pull them all at once. 204 can handle it. Almost full tire, man.
The lucky 211's got some okay tires. We should be all taking little sticks and cleaning out the tread. Hey! Don't get off in the dirt!
Hey, boys.
Hey! You got a toe strap?
I got a Mighty Mouse here.
Yeah, you got a toe strap? Oh, thank God. Don't go in the dirt. Please, don't go in the dirt.
It only fucking rained for half the night.
I don't think I'm gonna do it, guys.
Well, that's okay. You just need to get Sean up. And then we gotta...
Can somebody else do that?
Well, I guess I could. Because since it's not...
You could drive for me.
Yeah, but if we do need all three, you're gonna have to because 211 is not hooked up right now. But I can if you want to put her in park. So now we think we go right down there to the...
Yeah, whatever you want to hook to.
Like this, you think Caleb would be pretty impressed?
Sure.
Right down here, Sean?
Right around the brake line.
Brake line, y'all got stuck.
No, we didn't get stuck. I didn't get stuck.
Big day here. Big day here at Pagel Services.
I didn't get stuck. The trailer got stuck and then the trailer was connected to 211 that got stuck.
Oh.
So it had nothing to do with me.
Oh. You can take her easy.
We thought you were gonna bring. I thought you were gonna bring 215 that doesn't have any four-wheel drive.
He told me to.
Who did?
He told me to grab 215 and a tow strap.
Yeah,
I'm
but
like,
what's that gonna? What's that gonna do? John, you ready to rip?
No.
Yeah, take it. Go right at it. Pull her away.
No.
I won't even take it out of park.
Well, you're stuck down there cleaning up the poop?
Yeah, well, he's freaking sitting on his ass.
Yeah. They just gonna leave now, or?
I came out here this morning, dumped those railroad ties, and I almost got stuck. I was like, I don't know if we should come out here today. But Hunter said, yeah. And now look where we're at. Yeah, his tires were about halfway down on the passenger side in the ground.
On the trailer or on the truck?
Yeah, the whole bumper on that side was under the ground pretty much.
The Journey could have easily done that.
I think the Journey could have handled it.
I think so too.
Either that or it would have broken in half.
But hey, then I'll go down here.
That thing doesn't have four-wheel drive, but it does have all-wheel drive. I don't know if that's the same or not. Is that the same?
No. If it's all-wheel drive, that means it's good. It's always all tires are spinning all the time. Four-wheel drive only 2 spin until you put it in four-wheel drive.
Gotcha.
But hey.
So mine's constantly four-wheel drive.
Yes. I don't know why you're not down here.
Could have done it.
Well,
This is a question as old as time itself, John. How many Pagel Services employees does it take to get unstuck from some mud?
Apparently 4.
There you go. Clean those tracks.
That's what I was thinking. Keep coming, keep coming. Keep coming, keep coming.
No, I don't want to drive. We need more weight.
You might want to jump in there.
Come on.
You might want to just jump in there.
What are you trying to say, Hunter?
I'm not going to be the fourth one.
You
You
can
gonna-
definitely get it out.
You gonna put that down, or?
No, I still got fucking shit.
Yeah, I was shoveling stuff out of it. That's what I'm doing back there.
Yeah, I was like, you're going to run over the strap.
Easy freaking peasy.
Yeah, Mighty Mouse.
Yeah, good job, Holly. Thanks.
Yeah, 206. Did good job. I was gonna bring Dora. She's got 4-wheel drive.
Who's Dora?
My Explorer.
Oh.
Dora. Explorer.
Yeah, I get it now.
Yeah.
It probably would work, but
Journey was always here as a little safety valve.
yeah. Yeah, it's that I was
Where are you guys working at today?
Fennimore.
What are you doing?
Digging out for pavers and a retaining wall.
Steal my strap.
No, your strap's rolled up over there. Yeah, move 206 out of the way. Or 20. Move that truck out of the way. I'm just gonna pull up ahead.
Hi.
It's been a boring day. This is the most excitement I've had all day.
Yeah, I was right in the middle of trying to cook lunch. Caleb calls me, he's like, hey, you want content? I was like, yes. He goes, well, grab a camera and go out to the dirt site. You'll get some. I was like, okay.
Yeah, I was just sitting in my car at the shop waiting for them. Well, actually, shit, I'm probably supposed to be... Oh, I still got a half hour. I'm supposed to meet Caleb at their job. Help him unload whatever he went and got.
I remember that dance, Holly. Yeah. John remembers that dance going to the clubs back in the day.
Something like that.
You seem like a guy who used to get on the poles every once in a while.
Over in Platteville, yeah. Yeah, get in the cage. Till I couldn't fit.
Hey.
Hey. You guys gonna get your job done today, or? This only set you back, what, an hour?
Yeah. Hey, a little more. Should have brought 201. How many more loads you guys do today? Right, 2. It'll be dry by then. We stirred it all up. Maybe that's your next project, Sean. You gotta come out here and build a fucking road. Here, Ollie.
Good job, Derek.
Thanks, John. Thanks, D-Rock, for the encouragement.
Give me a high five on your way out.
Let's go for the trailer.
No chance Sean gives me a high five here. Told you.
All right, guys, as you can see here, we are in the podcast booth today, and we're going to give Tom Weber a call, the guy that just won the UTV. So, as you guys know, we do giveaways, and our number 14 winner here, Tom Weber. He's in New York, so we're going to give him a call and see how he reacts to that. So, while this is ringing, just so you guys know, $10 a month gets you access to all of our podcasts, all of our behind the scenes.
Hello?
Hey, is this Tom?
Yeah, this is Tom.
Calling about your car's extended warranty. Nobody falls for that anymore, unfortunately.
Nah, they don't really call about that anymore.
Yeah, what are you at work or what?
Just actually, just about to pull in my driveway. I'm on my way home from work, actually.
Well, sweet. It sounds like you already know the news anyways. Were you in the live with us?
I was, yep.
Oh, okay. Well, that's cool, because I don't think we've ever had somebody in the live when we actually announced it. So, but yeah, you won the 2025 CF Moto. Looks like you put in an order for the wiring tester and the multiplier, so that worked out pretty good in your favor.
Yeah, that's exciting.
So yeah, we're super excited about it. Glad you are too, and it sounds like you'll put it to good use. So we appreciate you putting in an order for the giveaway, and we hope you'll enter on the next giveaway too. So
Yeah, for sure.
so all right, well, we'll be in touch with you. Thank you very much, Tom. Appreciate your time, and we'll be getting that new UTV in your hands here any minute now. So
Alrighty, Appreciate it.
All right, sounds good. Thanks, Tom.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye. All right, another winner in the books, guys. That was our biggest one yet. And if you guys don't know, I mean, you'd have to know by now, but we are giving away an equipment trailer, so make sure to check that out, guys. Head on over to the merch shop. And like I said before, we've had guys that have won buying air fresheners, couple air fresheners, or guys that are buying bigger items like the wiring tester, guys. So get on over to the merch shop and get yourself entered to win. We could be calling you next. Yeah, if you want a lot of entries, guys, we put our old billboard in the merch shop. Check it out. It's not a joke. There's only one of them in the United States for sure, and it's all cleaned up, rolled up in a nice shipping tube, so somebody's going to buy it. Guarantee it. Just who's going to be the first guy to buy it, so... Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. So have you ever thought about, and I'm just brainstorming with you, have you ever thought about just staying at your job and just doing this on the side?
I have.
Like, what is that, does that?
So that entails not really scaling. I want to say it like I can scale, but I would have to, even if I hired an employee or two, I would have to have a lot of trust in them.
Sure, yeah.
Like way more than a normal person.
Yep.
Like they would have to be me there.
Yeah.
Because when I'm stuck at work for 12 hours, I can't leave.
Yeah.
I'm the shift supervisor. I can't get away.
Yeah, you probably can't even really be on the phone or...
You're not supposed to.
Directing them.
Right.
Yeah. Run a landscape company while doing that's probably not going to work.
Right.
And I'm not telling you what to do that. I'm just saying, have you thought about that? Because I know there's guys out there that still work their everyday jobs and do shit on the side. But I think, I don't know, 5 years seems like a long time.
But for me, it's shift work. Because I rotate days, nights, days, nights, days, nights.
Oh, man.
12-hour shifts. So I just got off days. So I have 5 days off. We'll go back and work 5 more nights. And do that for 2 weeks. Go back to days. Go back to nights.
Man.
So for me, it's the rotation.
So that's what you hate about it.
If I could be on straight days,
yeah,
that's one thing.
Mm-hmm.
Because the day guys work 10-hour shifts, 4 10s. 6 to 4.
That'd be awesome.
Right?
Yeah.
You do a little work on the side after the noon.
Right, yeah.
Have Friday, Saturday, Sunday off.
Yeah, I've worked nights. I've never went nights to days. I mean, you're used to it now, obviously, but you don't have kids either, so that kind of helps.
It does.
But kids got to be in the future, aren't they? I would assume.
Hopefully,
Are you married? You're married?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, kids got to be coming up here pretty soon if you're that old already. Better get at it.
Yeah.
Don't want to be waiting until you're old, but and is she pretty? The wife is pretty good with you. She's pretty.
Yeah, she's
she
understanding.
wants you to go do your own thing, kind of, or follow your dreams, I guess. Kind of supportive that way.
100%, 100%.
Yeah.
And she works at a hospital as a nurse.
Okay. Sure.
So she works 12s.
Oh, okay.
So luckily it's on days, but
yeah,
still it's there's still some struggles there about picking up jobs when I'm off with her type thing. And so we got a little work-life balance there, but other than that, she's always been very supportive of me.
That's good. Having somebody like that can make a huge difference. So that can help out for sure.